DR, also known as domino reduction, is a state of the cube where there are one set of opposite colors on opposite sides. The name comes from a domino cube that can only be solved with R2, L2, F2, B2, and UD moves, just like DR on a normal 3x3. There are 3 steps to getting to DR, the first of which is getting from a normal scramble to edge orientation, from edge orientation to a DR trigger by using random moves and polish, and for getting from that DR trigger to DR solved. After EO, to do RZP you have to understand what a good corner, good edge, or bad edge is. A good corner is a corner that is solved in DR, for example this one or this one, and this would be bad because it's twisted. A good edge would be like this one because it's solved in DR, but this one isn't, and so for this one. So those are bad edges. You have to count how many good edges and good corners there are, or bad edges and bad corners there are. So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bad corners, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bad edges. So this case would be called 5C, 6E, because there's 5 bad corners and 6 bad edges. Now random moves and polish is where you just basically do random moves to help you get to either 4C, 4E, 4C, 2E, or 3C, 2E. So in this case we can do an R move, which gets us to 1, 2, 3, 4 bad corners, and 1, 2, 3, 4 bad edges, which is 4C, 4E. You'll be setting up to 4C, 4E around 90% of the time, so try focus on that one. So after RZP, there are 3 main ways to solve to DR: 4C, 4E, 4C, 2E, and 3C, 2E. Now, these 2, we'll rarely ever use them, and they're pretty intuitive once you learn how to do 4C, 4E. It's just a bit of block building. So, in the anatomy of 4C, 4E, we have 2 blocks here and 2 other bad edges in the equator. So what we can do is first solve these 2 blocks and then move them towards the equator and solve it. For example, here we have 4C and 4E. What I notice is that this block is almost solved, so we can join these 2. And then this block is again almost solved, so we can use a B2, solve it like this, and these 2 equator pieces are in their place, so we can finish off.